maybe it goes without saying, but you take this one box of materials and the variety of ideas and designs that the kids have come up with is it's really impressive and honestly quite heartening to see so much creativity coming out of these young folks.
I built a TV and it's based off of like vintage 1967 old TVs where they have the panel on the side. And then I like space, so I added the space shuttle, so it's like modern.
I built a houseboat inspired by Halloween just because that's my favorite holiday and the time of year.
I created an escapement mechanism which can be found in old clocks.
I built the Twin Towers.
I built this telescope.
I took it kind of literally and I made something breaking out of a box.
I made a camera. I built this box that had the robot on the outside, and when you lift it up on the inside, there's a town.
It's hard to judge here because there's so many people being creative. The kids worked hard, and I'm really impressed by the engineering that actually went into some of them.
To me, is the coolest thing is to see give people a box that has no instructions, and you get 32 different projects that are all very different and unique and personal to those kids.